Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Storman again. I am here to do another math lesson with you. Today we are going to be working on expanded form again. I know we've been working on it all week long, so today's going to be our last day working on that expanded form. Before we start, I need you to go ahead and get your whiteboard and marker. If you don't have that, you may get a pencil and a piece of paper, whatever you can get, so you can write or draw and we can do our base 10 blocks. So go ahead and get that now. If you don't have it, pause the video to go get it. If you do have it, we're going to go ahead and start. Just go ahead and set your stuff aside. First, we're going to do a quick little review. Who remembers what this is called? Remember, you can shout it out to your screen since it's just you. Go ahead and shout it out. What's this called? You're right, this is a 10. Why is this called a 10? Why do you think it's called a 10? Go ahead, tell me what you think. Good, because it has 10 little ones inside of it, so we call it a 10. Then we have this little one here. Who knows what this is called? If you said 1, good job, and we know it's a 1 just because there's 1. Ooh, I have a question. With 1 10 and 1 1, what number have I made? Let's count it and see. Let's start with our 10. Ready? 10. 11. I made the number 11. Good job. All right. Today we're going to remember how to practice using our base 10 blocks, but remember we're going to draw them. So I'm going to tell you a number and you're going to draw it. So I want you to draw the number 31 with your base 10 blocks. Go ahead. Use your base 10 blocks. Remember, a 10 looks like a line and a 1 looks like an X. Nice and neat. Draw the number 31 for me. Let's see. Let's check it. 31. Does your 31 look like mine? Count along with me. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 31. Good. So now we have the number 31. If yours doesn't look like mine, go ahead and fix it now. All right, good job. We have 31. Now I have a question for you. How many 10s are in the number 31? How many 10s are in the number 31? Go ahead and shout it out to your screen. How many 10s are there in the number 31? 3. Good job. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 10s. How many 1s are in the number 31? Go ahead, shout it out. How many 1s? Good, there's 1 1. So the number 31 has 3 10s and 1 1. All right, let's do another one. Erase. Write down the number 17. Now, I'd like you to draw it with your base 10 blocks. Go ahead and do that now, and then we'll check it. Draw 17 with your base 10 blocks. Good job, you're doing great. Are you ready to check it? Okay, here we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I drew the number 17. Does your 17 look like my 17? If not, go ahead and fix it. Okay, when we look at 17, how many 10s are in the number 17? How many 10s? Shout it out. Good, there's 1 10. All right, let's look at our 1s. How many 1s are in the number 17? 7, yes, great job. So 17 has 1 10 and 7 1s. Now we're gonna go backwards. You can put your marker away for a second. I'm gonna draw a number and you're gonna figure out what number I drew. So put your marker down and you're just gonna watch my screen. Go ahead, take a moment, figure out what number did I draw. Are you ready to tell me the answer? All right, what number is it? Good, it's 23. Let's count it together, ready? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna draw another one and you're gonna shout out what it is, okay? Go ahead, figure out what this number is. Good, go ahead and shout it out. What is it? What is this number? 51, awesome. Let's count it and check. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51. Awesome, okay. Now, we've done a little review just to practice so we remember our 10s and our 1s and how it looks when we draw it. Now we're going to do one more day of stretching it into that expanded form. So what we're going to do is we're going to write a number, we're going to draw it nice and neat, and then we're going to expand it. So go ahead and get your marker, and I like to keep my lid on the end so it doesn't get lost, but so I don't have to keep going back and forth and back and forth. So go ahead and just keep your lid on the end. All right, now, the first number we're going to do is 45. Go ahead and write 45 on your workspace. Good. Now I'd like you to draw it using your base 10 blocks. Go ahead and draw it now. Wonderful job. Keep going. All right, are you ready? Let's check it. Ready? I'm going to do mine. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Good. How many 10s should I have in the number 45? 4 10s. Good. And how many 1s? Yes, 5 1s. Okay, now we're going to stretch it out. If I have 45 and I have 4 in the 10s place, I have 4 10s. What number do I really have? If I have 4 10s, what number is actually represented by 4 10s? Do I just have the number 4? No, you're right. I have the number 40. So I have 40 because I have 4 10s, and 4 10s is the same as 40. And, because remember, when we have our plus sign really just means and. 40 and, how many 1s? 5. Good. So I'm going to say 45 is the same as 40 and 5. Let's try another one. Erase. Write this down, please. 12. Go ahead, write it, and then I would like you to draw it. Good. When you draw it, it should look like this. 10, 11, 12. So we have the number 12. How many 10s are in the number 12? Good, 1 10. All right, how many 1s are in the number 12? Yes, 2 1s. There's 1 10 and 2 1s. All right, we're going to stretch it into expanded form. Go ahead and do that now. Remember, what number is represented here and what number is represented here? Let's see. Stretch it out. We'll check it. All right, good job. Are you ready? All right, if I have 1 10, what number is that really? Good, it's 10. And then I have 2 1s, so what number is that? Good, it's 2. So 12 is really the same as 10 and 2. All right, now I'm going to have you do one all by yourself. You're going to write the number down, you're going to draw it, and then you're going to expand it, and then we will check it. Your number is 33. Write that down. Draw it, expand it. Good job, keep going. You're writing it, drawing it, expanding it. You almost got it. All right, let's check it. If I'm drawing 33, I'm going to start with my 10s. 10, 20, 30. Now my 1s. 31, 32, 33. Good. How many 10s are in the number 33? Good, there's 3 10s. How many 1s? Yes, 3 1s. So 33 has 3 10s and 3 1s. Good. Now we're going to stretch it into that expanded form. If I have 3 10s, go ahead and shout it out. What number do I have? What number is represented by 3 10s? Good, 30. And then when I have 3 ones, I really have just 3. So 33, read this with me, 33 is the same as 30 and 3. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to give you a couple you're going to practice on your own. I'm going to give you some hard ones. This is our last day doing it, so I'm going to try to trick you. Remember, when you finish this assignment, have your adult at home take a picture and send it to your teacher. We love to see you doing your work, and we love to see you in the picture. All right, here are your numbers. 10. I know it seems like it won't be hard, but I promise it might trick some of you. All right, I have 10. I have, let's see, 19, 59, 48, 30, and then my last one is going to be my trickiest one, 99. Oh my goodness. So we have 10, 19, 59, 48, 30, and 99. You are going to do this in your workspace. You're going to write the number, draw it with base 10 blocks, expand it. When you're done, have your adult take a picture and then send it to your teacher. All right, good job, boys and girls. I miss you so much. I hope to see you soon.